how to become a machine learning engineer in 2023. I am sure you guys are curious about how can you become a machine learning engineer, right? And in this video, I am going to discuss about the roadmap of a machine learning engineer. I'll divide this video in some few steps. You just need to follow this step. Now, without any further ado, let's get started on the video. So before discussing about the step of a machine learning roadmap, you need to also know that what is actually machine learning. In my opinion, machine learning is right now one of the exciting and recent top technology. Let's say you are watching the brain tumor image classification video on my YouTube channel. As soon as the video is done, it will probably give you a recommendation that just follow this video. So how actually YouTube know that you are interested in this topic? That's called machine learning, right? So based on the previous watch video and also the content of the tag, the YouTube will recommend you the video. So now let's discuss about that. How can you learn machine learning in this year? In the step number one, you need to learn one programming language. In the market, so many programming languages are available like C++, Java, Python, or C#. Most of the students are little bit confused that which programming language that are going to choose. Is it C++ or Java or Python? I'll recommend you two programming languages that you need to learn. In number one, it's called Python. Why Python? In Python, there are so many building libraries are available based on machine learning. That's why you need to choose the Python. Also, you can switch the domain. Like you are doing machine learning, you can also do the web development. In number two, it's called R. R is also a programming language. You can also follow this language. In step number two, you need to have some skill based on data structure algorithm. You need to learn stack, QE, multi-dimensional array, tree, graph, and dynamic programming. And also you need to learn some basic algorithm like searching, sorting, and optimization algorithm. In step number three, you need to learn linear algebra, calculus, probability, and the statistics. In machine learning, it will require some few techniques like called bias net or hidden Markov technique, and all are the concept. That's are based on probability. On the linear algebra, you can learn vector and matrix also. In the calculus, you need to learn the differentiation and the integration part. You need to have some basic knowledge of mean, mode, median, bias, and also called the normal distribution, Gaussian distribution, like that. In step number four, you need to learn some machine learning algorithm. I listed down some top 10 machine learning algorithm on this 2023. In number one is linear regression. And number two, it's called logistic regression. In number three, it's called decision tree. In number four, it's called the SVM algorithm. In number five, it's called naive Bayes algorithm. And number six, it's called the KNN algorithm. In number seven, it's called K-mean clustering algorithm. And number eight, it's called random forest algorithm. In number nine, it's called dimensionality reduction algorithm like PCA. In last one, it's called the gradient boosting algorithm or the ADA boosting algorithm. So in order to learn this machine learning algorithm, you can also follow this book that's called Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-learn, Keras, and TensorFlow. For data structure algorithm, you can also follow this book that I'm going to follow on my university life. In step number five, you need to learn some basic Python library. In number one, it's called NumPy. In number two, it's called Pandas. In number three, you need to learn the Matplotlib. In number four, you need to learn the Scikit-learn. In Scikit-learn, most of the machine learning algorithms are available. In number five, it's called TensorFlow. Now you are master in machine learning, but not. You need to also learn the development. In the step number six, you need to learn the development. How you are going to develop the machine learning model? You can learn one web framework like Flux, Django, or FastAPI, or you can also learn the Streamlit. And at the last, you can also learn the Docker in order to Dockerize your machine learning model. So that's it for today now. Just you need to follow this step, and after that, you are going to be a machine learning engineer. So thanks for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon. And I'll be back with another tutorial. So till then, take care and bye-bye.